Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going for episode 4, which is the continuation of this real estate mobile app here. So yesterday we designed the welcome page, the 3 onboarding pages, and the get in touch with us page. And today we're going to design the home screen page and the house screen pages. Let's jump into this. All right, guys. I've already got a little bit of a kickstart here. So what I did was I just downloaded a few icons that you like, for the home screen, the search page, the favorite, and the profile. Later along this series, we're going to start designing much more robust mobile apps and websites as well. But for just the beginning, for the next episodes also, we're going to design, a page or two, maximum 3, something along those lines, so that it's not too overwhelming, so that you can understand the basics, and then we'll move on to much more complex designs after that. Let's say a 6-page complete website page, move on to those much later on the series. So for the time being, we'll just design 1-2 pages max, 3 tops, and yep, let's jump into this, guys. So just get icons that you like, either from the internet or plugins as well from here on Figma. I use this one for home, this one for search, this one for favorites, and this one for profile, right? And then here I just said find your best real estate, and then I use this image right over here, put it in a circle, and that's it. This is going to be our search bar over here, and then give me a second, getting another component over here. All right, that's T for text. Then let's go search location. All right, let's use quicksand for this. Reduce the size. Let's put it to 16. Let's put it down to 14. 14 looks better. Let's put it on this other gray. Oops. Wrong one. Yeah. Too dark and too bright. Perfect. All right. Now, let's type here popular. R for rectangle. 15. Bring it to front. Let's use our blue. Let's turn this to white. Let's make it bold a bit. Group this. There we go. And we have here, and then we have here. This one we can write villa. And not in bold, normal, regular. This one gray. So that I can show, so that we can show to the user that this has not been selected as of yet. So same thing here. Let's try apartment. Something like apartment. It's a little bit longer. There we go. Move the bold. Use this color. Awesome. Now, since we already decided that we're going for popular in this one, let's type here popular. Bold. And DM sans serif. Let's put it 30. Okay. Popular. Now, let's find 2 images, guys. Let me go here to my bank. Wrong image. That was an inspiration I was using for designing our app. Let's me download. All right, cool. Now, guys, let's go to our other icons here at the top. Let's find our heart for like, do we have one here? Do we have one here? Yes, we do. Use this, put it in the middle. Put this in red. Bring this to front. Nice, 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 nice. And now, put a text here at the bottom. Let's say this is 350,000. SD. And then let's use another part, copy paste. Something like this. Reduce the size. Put it in gray. Per year. Let's give it a name. Casablanca High, something like that. Get yourself the star here. We have our star here. Yep. We have our star. .0. We have our rating here. There we go. Let's go for yellow. Let's see. If it's too bright, we'll reduce the color. Oh, it's too bright. Now let's make it darken, 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 darken a bit. This side, perhaps. No, this side here. Okay, let's make this the same color as well. Ugh. Let's change these, guys. Let's change these. No, I just want this one. Now let me find another icon. I use noun projects as well. That's a good library. We use bathtub icon. Meanwhile, let's use the search icon here. There we go. Type here the location. Type here the location. Okay. Now we get our bathtub icon as well as our bed icon. This one is not okay. Let me find another one. Let me find another bed icon. Much better. There we go. So that the person knows how many how many rooms there are, and how many. Can put this gray. Let's say 3 bedrooms. No, this is a big house. Say 4 bedrooms. And then here, 3. Almost done with this page, guys. Literally almost done. And then now we'll take this, go find another image. Have one ready here. is this 20? With 370. Let's try the width 370 here. And height 244. And we take this, put it over there. There we go, guys. We have our first page here. And now let's go for the second one. Okay, for the second one, I already had an image here ready, right? So that we can, so that I can just kickstart it. Guys, again, please feel free to use any images you want. You know, these are just for placements. These are just placeholders. Okay, I'm searching arrow. Put this in white. Turn it around like that. And then put it somewhere over there. Now we have this image. Let's call this Mariana Beach House. Let's make this image a bit darker. Not too much, just a little bit, guys. There we go. Put this here. Copy this text. Put it in quicksand. This is going to be the explanation text. So let's just say lorem ipsum and lorem ipsum. And then there we go. And then let's add a few more images of these. And I'll explain to you in a second why. These images, guys, are to let you know what's inside the house, right? In this case, Again, these are placeholders, right? So we just leave them here so that they'd be like, oh, inside the house, there's a nice toilet, there's a nice bathroom, 121, 170, 121, 170. To 170. Here we go. And then now put the bar there at the bottom, R for rectangle, something like this. And paste. Right. Okay. Yeah, let's make up a text for this. Okay, very guys, and feel free to use ChatGPT for the text prompts, right? Feel free to use, unless you're working on a project and the client wants you to have specific text there. Otherwise, just go to ChatGPT and ask them for a prompt. Let me actually just go here. Prompt for a brief house description for a real estate app. There we go, found one. There we go, guys.